Hello there friends, this is Nancy from Lanpack Machinery. Here we are in our multi packaging machine workshop. Today let me introduce you one of our liquid product packaging machine in the 4 rays for the 3-size seal bag. This packaging solution is customized for our customer for packing the cat treat food in liquid time. It is also suitable for some stick liquid products like the ketchup, the sauce, the honey, and so on. Now let me introduce you one by one in details. This part is our touch screen. It's movable. It is convenient to adjust or set it and work it in each direction. And here we can see we use Siemens brand about the touch screen. We can see the total outlet in one batch about the number, the physics number. And here, the balance, we can set the balance here, and the package speed, which is very convenient to operate it. This part is the pulling field part. Here we can see this part is very easy operate to help you to install the fuel roll when the old fuel roll runs up. Here we need to cut the fuel here and stick the new one with the tape here, which is very easy and convenient to help you to install the fuel. This part is our filling and measuring system part. And here we equip with the ceramic pump, which is very suitable for thick product with a high accuracy. And let's see the uptime is the hooker. It is equipped with the heating and stirring device inside the hooker, which can make sure the thick product can filling and measuring smoothly. And the liquid hooper we make of the full stainless steel of the 304. We can also customize with the 316 stainless steel, which with a high safety and healthy level. And here we can see this is the pump. Total 4 pumps for 4 lays packaging machine. And here the pump can filling and measure separately for each bag. And next part is our forming, sealing, and cutting part. Here we can see at first this is the bag former part. It is the bag former, special bag former for the 3-size seal bag. And next is the sealing part for the vertical time. And here we can see equipped with the Teflon, which can work very perfect for the sealing. And next, this one is the sealing for the irregular shape. Yeah, all the pulling field system is driven by the servo motor, which can make sure all the pulling field working very smoothly and very stable. And we can see here, this is the blowing to make the temperature down, to make the next part very perfect. And this part is the easy tear cutting. We can make it the dotted line cutting or the V-shape cutting. We can customize according to your requirement. And the final part, this one is the final round corner cutting. Yeah, it is also customized solution. And then after this cutting, the finished bag will be put out through this outlet. Now let's see how the machine working. That's all for today. If you have any problems and doubts about our packaging machine, you can contact me and contact Lanpack. Thanks for your watching. Bye.